During a funeral service, a young wife was threatened by her deceased husband's alleged girlfriend, who showed up uninvited. The wife called the police and explained the situation, mentioning that the girlfriend had made threats and refused to leave.
Again, I said, I apologize. I just want to do everything the right way, but there's...
Are you back from the restaurant? I'm sorry.
It's right here.
Thank you. It's right here.
Hey, though.
What, Maya?
Never mind.
I'm so well, I gave out a license plate number of the person I'm talking about. She was outside making direct threats. I didn't allow her in. That's why I had my family watching the door. She's allegedly a girlfriend of her husband. So she's making direct threats. She knows exactly where I live at. She knows my phone number. She knows my children. She's making direct threats. And she got me on the wrong day. I'm telling y'all.
Yeah, this is a disrespect.
I was sitting right there by the front door.
She was by the front door?
I was by the front door. I was sitting inside
There's
here.
another female out there in a green dress.
That's the one I'm talking. No, she's not a white female.
Okay, there was another white female in a green dress. I'm sorry.
She, like I explained, she had single braids, and there was a half bun on top.
It sounds like a highly emotional and tense situation, especially given the context of a funeral service. The presence of the alleged girlfriend and her threats added a significant layer of stress for the young wife during an already difficult time. The involvement of the police indicates the seriousness of the threats made, and it's a reminder of how quickly conflicts can escalate in emotionally charged environments. Videos capturing such moments often reveal the complexities of human emotions and relationships, showing both the pain of loss and the unexpected conflicts that can arise. If you have specific questions or need further insights about this incident, feel free to ask.
Or she claims she was...
So when it comes to things like that, you only know what people tell you.
Right.
So
she says one thing and your former husband said something different. Okay.
So this is like you holding on to something that you really don't have situation, and now that he's
Right.
gone,
And he's gone, there's really no business to... Okay. And so what did she say specifically to you today?
She said, I'm going to end up in a casket right there where my husband is. She said, I'm dead.
I heard that.
And it's... Okay.
I'm not playing.
That's...
Listen, I'm not doing this.
Yeah.
I'm not doing this. My husband...
Does she think she's going to get something?
I don't know. I don't know. We don't talk.
Because he's gone.
We don't talk.
Okay.
Me and her don't talk. We don't have anything to talk about. If this is what you're proclaiming to be your life.
Does she have a kid that she's trying to say is his?
She doesn't have, she can't have kids.
Okay.
Were you able to find that? That's okay. Take your time.
Did she come up here with people, or?
Her mother, her sister, her brother, her family.
So did they think they were just going to come in at 10?
Yeah, they signed the guest book because that's how far they got in.
Yeah, they kind of pushed past me to get in.
And they're sent outside now.
They've been outside because I told them they need to leave. She, like I said, she hesitated. She directly threatened me, and
the rest of the family members went out.
They all left.
Okay.
Yeah.
But she's the one that wanted to act more before.
Yeah, the mom was kind of like, she gave me a look. She gave me a real small look.
Funerals are typically spaces for mourning and reflection. The young wife, already grappling with the loss of her husband, is faced with an unexpected and distressing challenge. The arrival of the alleged girlfriend disrupts the sanctity of the occasion, forcing the wife to confront not only her grief, but also feelings of betrayal and anger.
To jail if need be, if she's out there, then the rest of the family members can move
left
on.
now that y'all pulled up because they've been trying to get, my family has been trying to get her to leave for about 2 hours now.
When it comes to situations like these, we would prefer them to leave. So we don't
that's
have
what
to
I've been
have
trying to do.
something
That's why I called
at a
y'all.
funeral. We don't need.
That's exactly why I called y'all.
Is that her and her family over up on the far back? Is that the olive green dress?
Yep. You are correct.
Okay.
You are correct. Yep.
Yeah, she's got.
Like I said, the black Jeep Cherokee, her license plate number is G. She's been to my house, made threats there.
So that's going to be her, and then she's got.
Everybody that's with her. So there's another girl with a green dress. That was her mother. I think her mother left.
Okay.
I don't see her
And
mother
those are
anymore.
her people?
Those are her people, yep.
Not necessarily your people.
Well, the dude that's wiping his forehead right now, that's my husband's cousin.
Okay.
So, like I said, this has gotten really messy over the past few days. She's been spreading rumors, telling lies, talking about that he divorced me and this, that. I got my marriage license in my purse.
Yeah, we're not worried about that. I just want to make sure who I know I'm going to
That's it
address when
directly.
we go out there.
Yep,
So.
that's it directly. And some of those people that's over there is my husband's family. Like I said, the dude with the braids going down.
Will they try to intervene if we try to arrest her?
I don't know. I just need y'all to do whatever y'all gonna do.
Okay.
I'm not gonna hold y'all. Just do what y'all need to
Let
do.
me grab your information.
My name is. My middle name?
Alexis, A-L-E-X-I-S.
Yes. Russell.
Who's that lady standing next to her in the tan or the gray?
That's your mother.
That's mom. This is probably gonna get nasty real
I
quick.
know you want me to call from the crew. So she's only got that little group of people there with her, right?
She's only got that little group of people. I wish she would just leave, and then we could put a broadcast and get her up later. But I hate having to do stuff like
I
that.
just don't know who's inside her truck, so I can't really. Because that's her truck.
You said the license plate was GC
6314.
6314.
It's supposed to stand for Graylon and Crystal and the day that they met.
Wow. Is that your husband's?
Yeah, can we get a couple more?
Graylon? Yeah. So she's made up this whole delusional thing. This shit's gonna end up on fucking Lifetime. I swear to God. This is
Every day when I was locked up, every day. Every day when I was locked up. Every day I talk to him, bro.
Another person. 23, you guys know this beanie. I already had him. That's right, we got this.
so yeah.
Okay.
Just bet you can go over here and call him.
I got information.
Got their information.
Yeah, and I got.
We'll go over, try to talk to them. We got more crews coming if we need them or whatnot. I'm hoping we won't, but
I'm trying to shut this down.
Okay. Are you guys done with the?
Yeah.
Everybody's-
We wouldn't let
everybody's
nobody
leaving
else
now?
in.
Okay.
So,
But the service and everything is done.
as far as I'm concerned, yes. I came to talk to y'all first to handle
Yes,
this
ma'am.
situation.
And you did it the right way. So we'll go do what we can do, and we'll get it done. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Thank you, ma'am. Make sure y'all stay hydrated.
Yes, ma'am.
It needs to be that way. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
That's our family, though.
This is our family, though.
what's her first name?
Crystal. Crystal. Sorry. Excuse us. Sorry.
Police eventually arrested the alleged girlfriend for making threats. The video captures the tense interaction between the wife, the alleged girlfriend, and the police as they try to resolve the situation peacefully. The video highlights the emotions and drama that can arise in such sensitive situations. Loge.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
What is you for? What?
The girlfriend's uninvited presence and her threatening behavior can be seen as a manifestation of unresolved tensions between the individuals involved. This situation can evoke a range of emotions, from sorrow to rage, as the wife feels her space to grieve is being invaded. The confrontation highlights the complexities of love and loyalty, raising questions about the nature of their relationships.
Bruh, back up. What you back up from the police. Back up from the police. Sorry, it's my hand on your back, sir.
No, you're fine.
And I don't want
I mean,
people around you.
she's a grown woman, so. But we'll talk to her
Please, sir,
parents.
and I
Yeah.
Her parents, come here.
Just go down there. You will be
Her
out.
parents, come here.
It ain't
Back
nothing,
up.
okay?
Her parents.
Let's have a seat.
Okay.
My dress.
Yeah, you're fine.
No, I need her to pull
If
my.
you-
I need her to pull my dress over my knees.
Can you pull her dress up over her
That's
knees?
her dad. Hold on. Dad and mom stand over there. Everybody else back up from here.
Back up. She's an adult. She's an adult. I will talk to everybody else later.
Come on, y'all see the aggressiveness? Just be smart this time. Back the fuck up.
Sorry. It's fine. I appreciate your help.
How old are you? Trying to do this as respectful as possible. I know there's a lot going on. How old are you?
20. I'll be 29 tomorrow.
29. There were allegations of threats made that you said you were going to put her in the ground next to her husband.
I haven't even made contact with her.
There-
She wouldn't even let me in the building.
Right.
I ain't made contact.
Well, we're
Everybody out here can
we're
tell
hearing
me
it
that.
otherwise, okay? And so she's going to have to go down. She's going to have to press charges and that kind of stuff. Right now, you're going to go with us. Okay? So that's what it is the threats. It's menacing. You're threatening to kill her by putting her in the
Do
ground.
I really look like
I know emotions are high. There's a lot of different stuff
That's the
going on,
thing, though.
but
I
this is
ain't
what's
everybody
this is
out here
what's
can tell you I ain't saying nothing. That's his sister right there.
right.
Like,
So
I couldn't
that's
get
where we're
out.
at today. Okay.
That's the thing. When she told me, like, you know, I can go in there between 4 and 4:10 to see. I said, okay. She said they just want you to, you know, leave for right now. Tell everybody leave. I said, okay. That was my car I was getting into,
Right.
but everybody is leaving at the same time
Right.
and passing in front of my car. I can't hit nobody trying to get out, and then I'm not
Right.
driving. So you asked me to leave. Which she told somebody else. She told somebody else
Right.
that, you know, that she was
Right.
gonna let me see, and that, you know,
Right.
she just wanted me to leave for now. I was okay with that.
Okay.
But I couldn't get out. Clear, when y'all even walked over there, y'all see it was a car blocking my car.
Right. There's stuff. Right.
So how am I, you
But
asked
we're-
me to leave, how am I supposed
Right.
to leave if I can't even get in my vehicle
And
get
we
out?
didn't ask you to leave.
No,
We
not
didn't-
y'all,
we-
I'm saying she
I know,
did.
and we didn't tell you or nothing like that.
No, that's fine.
The reason you're going to go down today is because of the threats. Now, here's what happens. She has to go down and talk to the prosecutor. If she follows through with the charges, that's on that. It's going to be a misdemeanor. Your people can bail you out within an hour or so, okay?
And how much is
handle
that
the
gonna
stuff
be?
through in courts.
And how much is that gonna be? So I can let my
I
family
don't know
know.
this yet.
I don't know the specifics. I don't want to give you a dollar amount and promise you something that's not true.
So can you let my family know that?
Yeah, we can let your mom and them know that, hey, you're going to go down. It's a misdemeanor charge. They should be able to bail you out within about an hour or two. Okay? But the sooner that we can get you down there and get that process started without having to deal with emotions
So
and
is
everybody
somebody
here.
gonna call them? Like, can y'all get one of their
You should be able
numbers
to make a phone call.
All right.
You'll be able to
You know
make a
their
phone call.
numbers?
You know
I
their
just
numbers.
know my mom's. I don't.
That's
just
about the
my
only
mom's.
family member I know is my mom.
I just know my mom's number by
Will
heart.
that work?
Okay.
I can write a phone number down for you.
My mama answer. Mom, just stay with Cupcake for me, please. Mom, I'll be all right. They just said, give me an hour or two. I'll be all right. Just give me an hour or two. Y'all can come get me. Only number I know is my mom. So y'all need to stay with my mama.
But here's what I'll caution you guys with, okay? Regardless of what's going on with this other girl and that kind of stuff, we don't need additional drama with the family stuff. You know what I mean?
It's not.
Right, let's
That,
let
and
the
if you
courts
really wanna,
handle
and
the
if you
stuff.
really want to be technical, it's her people's. It's her own people's. I done had a whole dude out here threaten me. I didn't call the police because I know emotions is high.
Right.
That's the thing. I'm not that type of person.
Right. I understand, and I'm not saying you are. You know what I mean? We're caught in the middle.
I'm in a whole dress and sandals. Like,
all right, I'm gonna shut the door, okay?
Dayton Police Department.
Well, right now it's not about the intimidation.
She's gonna get a misdemeanor
This my
menacing
attorney. Can
charge.
y'all tell her what she's being charged with? I'm trying to help her get out.
Okay, give us a second.
I'm not talking to your attorney. We're dealing with her.
I'm trying to represent her, get her some help to
Basically,
get out.
threats were made.
You're not an attorney
We're
at this
addressing the
time.
threats right now.
You have to contact her.
So about what we say doesn't count because she didn't threaten nobody.
Well, we've got the victim and witnesses who say they saw and heard the threats. So
She didn't threaten nobody.
I understand that's what you believe. I
That's-
understand,
no, that's
but
what I
we have to
know.
go. We have to go based off what our victim and
I know.
witnesses say.
Okay, so forget about
that'll be
the
for the
rest.
court. That'll be for the courts to decide.
That'll be up to the court.
I know,
So
but
you guys will
Their
go to
party
court.
has to go down and press charges, okay? You know, it's a misdemeanor charge. She'll be able to be bailed out within about an hour or so. And then at that point, whether people get protection orders and keep away from each other and that kind of stuff. I know this is a situation where...
So why this can be just a citation?
Because it's not a...
The police's arrival represents an attempt to restore order and provide safety. Their role is crucial in such scenarios, as they must navigate the delicate balance between enforcing the law and allowing individuals the space to express their emotions. The officers are likely trained to handle such high-stress situations, emphasizing the importance of calm communication and conflict resolution.
Is the rest of her family just...
Take these off my head and give them to my mom.
I can. Do you want me to take your jewelry as well?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Is this your mom right here in the car?
Yes, that's my mom. No, it's not gonna hurt. You can pull it. Pull it. It's okay. That bow tight. It's only two of them that's gonna slide over my neck.
Okay. The bigger ones.
The bigger ones are gonna slide over. The other one is not.
The other one. Okay.
That one is
The jail
slide.
will put that in your property then. Yeah, it's not back here.
Then I'll do the order. I'll do the ordering card for her. I just want to get you and her out of here.
Okay. Thank you.
That way, if you have to do the booking screen down there at the jail, it's fine. It's our husband dies and wife's here at the funeral and alleged girlfriend shows up. She made the comments and it was confirmed by funeral home staff about I'm going to put you in the ground next to him. So everybody's carrying guns. They don't want her side of the family here. So
Her side being girlfriend or wife?
girlfriend.
Okay.
So, and they continued to stay here, surprisingly, when we were inside getting all the information. So, she's just going to go down for misdemeanor. Once we took her into custody, I mean, everybody swells around. But
Did the rest of the family leave?
most all of them did. That's mom and dad and brother. Where's she?
Don't leave before I leave.
This is the report number. We're going to need you to go down to the prosecutor's office tomorrow, 8:30 in the morning. Talk to the prosecutor. So there's going to be an address is 335 West 3rd Street, 3rd floor. Talk to the prosecutor. We're taking her to jail. The rest of the family members left. But if you don't go down and press the charges, nothing happens. Follow through with protection orders and stuff like that.
I was supposed to do that this morning. I swear to God, my uncle took me downtown to get the papers. They told me the magistrate wasn't seeing nobody today until like 2:30, and I'm like, I won't even be.
Yeah, you're doing this. So